Worried about the log transport module DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. Before we begin the walkthrough for log transport module, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the log transport module, frequently found in Adobe Creative Cloud and other large software suites. It manages the background transport or upload of localized usage logs and crash reports to the developer's servers. While not critical for the software's primary function, its absence can cause module not found, pop-ups, or high startup latency. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Errors related to log transport module DLL often mean the internal Adobe Telemetry /log transport configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with log transport module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Using an incorrect or unverified version of log transport module DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to log transport module. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for log transport module or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.